Tune into Parrot, the change agent and guiding force of repetition. Everything you learn is through repetition, the good and lesser good things. Be aware of what you repeat. Repetition is the learning tool for better or worse. Instant change number 1 with Parrot, the change agent and guiding force of repetition. Before I start repeating something, I better overlook what the outcome could be. There are some basic things that need to be trained through repetition in order for me to function in the world. But most other things I repeated, keep on repeating and like to start repeating, do not contribute to the essential well-being and well-functioning of myself, others, and the planet. Instant change number 2 with Parrot, the change agent and guiding force of repetition. I can free myself from being a parrot by experiencing something new and different. Instant change number 3 with Parrot, the change agent and guiding force of repetition. Whatever I think I want to have, say, feel, see, smell, hear, touch and taste again, and think I cannot miss, has already become an addiction, and I need to free myself from those chains. Instant change number 4 with Parrot, the change agent and guiding force of repetition. No need for me to become a feelingless robot, for most things I keep on repeating become an addiction, and every addiction ends up in me feeling numb, and then looking again for something else to get me out of the numbness and to make that into an addiction. Instant change number 5 with Parrot, the change agent and guiding force of repetition. By using and or playing with the endless digital devices, I stay busy repeating functioning in a digital world and losing contact with the body, others, and the world around me. Instant change number 6 with Parrot, the change agent and guiding force of repetition. When I replace the endless stream of thoughts, pictures, dreams, and desires with a mantra or prayer, a repetition of words mostly given by someone who has conquered the worldly stream of short-lived mortal realities, I change from being caught in that stream to observing that stream, and to one day go beyond that stream. Instant change number 7 with Parrot, the change agent and guiding force of repetition. It takes effort to be aware of things that I repeat and don't need to repeat. Instant change number 8 with Parrot, the change agent and guiding force of repetition. Repetition is for the learning of the basic skills of life, but not to be used for distraction and destruction. Instant change number 9 with Parrot, the change agent and guiding force of repetition. When I keep on repeating the old, how can I expect different results? Instant change number 10 with Parrot, the change agent and guiding force of repetition. It is not possible to become like somebody else, and for that reason there is no need trying to repeat what that person repeats. Instant change number 11 with Parrot, the change agent and guiding force of repetition. I am a product of all I ever repeated, and can change that by repeating and programming new and different.